This is the slick bridge for double row repair of a rotator cuff. You can see I've got my full thickness rotator cuff tear here. I've incorporated a biceps tendon suture into my medial row repair so I can perform my tenodesis at the same time I place my medial row anchor. So you can see here I've incorporated a strand of Parcus suture tape as well as my number 2 from my biceps tenodesis suture. I'm going to advance the medial row anchor to depth. I'll place the posterior anchor and I'm going to suture shuttle both strands through for both the posterior and anterior anchors at the same time. So this is a strand of number 2 Parcus braid. I'm going to use it in standard suture shuttling technique and pull both strands of tape through at the same time. Then I'll sort these into anterior and posterior anchors. Utilizing the cannula to perform the auto tension function of the anchor itself, I can see I've got an anterior dog ear, so I'm going to go ahead and place another strand of number 2 Parcus braid anteriorly. Then I'm going to insert all limbs into my anchor and insert this to depth. The auto tension brings the sutures down, and then I'll go ahead and advance my anchor to depth. You can see we've got excellent tension without our suture advancing into our socket. So now we've completed our anterior row. We're going to go ahead and pull our sutures over for our posterior lateral row. We've punched and we're inserting the depth. Again, note the auto tension function. We get the bottom of the socket and we've got excellent compression of our repair. And this has completed our Parcus slick bridge for fixation of our double row repair in an all knotless technique.